Hello everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you how to make chicken pickle in Naga style. So we have some ginger and then some shredded chicken.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos.
So let's start by heating the wok now. I'm using mustard oil because in the pickle it is good to use oil. So first of all we will heat the oil, and after that let's start by adding the ginger. I'm frying the ginger and the chicken separately because if we fry the ginger and the chicken together, the ginger it won't get cooked well, and also it won't be crunchy. So frying the ginger and the chicken separately. I'll be frying this ginger until it gets a little brownish, and after that I will keep it aside, and the same way I will be frying the chicken as well. The process of cleaning the ginger is that I pounded this ginger, and after that I washed it 2 to 3 times, and I also squeezed it, so we are not taking the juice of the ginger, so it is a bit dry. We have been frying the ginger for a while, and as you can see it has turned a little brownish. So now we will take it out and we will keep this aside, and then we will fry the chicken. So yeah, it has become a little crunchy. You can eat this way as well. If you want, you can just try it out. I'm frying the chicken now. The chicken is more, so I have shifted in two cooking pot. So here it is. Now the chicken has also turned a little brownish. So now let's add some chili powder. I have add some salt while boiling the chicken, but let's see if it is okay. So we won't be adding much salt now, just a little bit of salt will do. So this is it. Now we will add the ginger. I added a little ginger only because if we add more ginger then it won't be tasty. And yeah, this is a very simple recipe. Here we are done. This is simple Naga style chicken pickle. Actually, I got an order from my friend who wanted to take some bottle of chicken. So this is actually for my friend. I'm going to partially to my friends who are staying outside. So here, this is the few bottles that I have picked. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please do subscribe and keep on watching. Thank you. Bye.